I have this Toyota Tacoma that I've been building a truck camper on. Currently, I'm in the process of upgrading this tailgate panel. One of my biggest problems that I have is that you can't lock the tailgate with the clicker. So when you lock the rest of the car, it doesn't lock the tailgate. And being that we have a lot of stuff stored in here and these boxes are kind of like our main storage, we wanted to ensure that this was nice and safe. In addition, I have a tailgate panel that's going to allow me to use this space as storage, which is going to kind of open up a little bit more room for us. And the first thing I need to do is zip out all these screws. So I got this pretty sweet part from a company called Bulletproof Fabrication. It essentially allows me to open this whenever I want and use it as storage. The process of getting this was kind of a pain. There was some shipping issues. It took over 4 months to actually receive this thing. So my experience with them wasn't super great, but it looks like it's made super well. You know, hopefully should hold up fine over time. And this thing's pretty cool. I'm gonna get this zipped in and then continue on with the lock actuator. Comes with these little lock assembly things. So these just unclip and then lift up, and then you can use all this space as extra room. So pretty big upgrade there. Plus it's a nice flat surface. I didn't really like how this was corrugated, so you could stand on it and it would feel kind of wonky and weird. And there's still plenty of clearance here for getting our drawers out. The drawers just open up like this. Now, let's go get the lock actuator installed. So this is the new wire connector that came with the assembly, and that just routes out here. I got these little bezels off, and then I have these new bezels that I'm going to attach. Here's my new wire for my lock actuator going in following the rear camera wiring harness. And then in here, this is the new powered lock actuator that is clipped in. It attaches right here around that part and then connects up here to the actual lock mechanism. The one that I have that's from Toyota directly calls for taking off the passenger side. It's apparently going to hook into this wiring harness, maybe somewhere up here, but keep in mind that some of the other ones I've seen attached to the driver's side. This is what it looks like for me on the passenger side. Located the grommet that I need to attach to, which is there, and that fits this pre-set grommet here. And now I'm moving over here to disconnect this gray wire. Got that out. And this guy should connect into there. Great. And then this should connect to the previous one. Okay, I've got the wire run and I've got it just temporarily hung underneath. I'm just gonna test the mechanism to see if everything's working. Wow, very cool. Got all my wires zip tied in and hidden under here. So now it's time to move to the underside of the car and take care of all this. All done. Looks completely good underneath. Here you can see my wiring. And god damn it. I just got this cheap like rubber edge material off Amazon. I'll link that in the description if anyone wants to pick some up. But I'm just going around and it's got this adhesive on it, so you just peel the adhesive off and stick it on as you go. here's the finished product. Got some nice protection on all those sharp edges. A couple of them I couldn't figure out, like this is just so hard to try and wrap this stuff around, but the majority of it turned out pretty good. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'd be happy to respond. Otherwise, yeah, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And if you want to see more stuff like this, truck-related things, DIY stuff, please follow along. And yeah, see you in the next one. Thanks again.